Alright, so I have emissions coming up and I have to do an O2 sensor extension. So I went and picked up the pigtail from the wire harness. I picked up another O2 sensor, which I cut the O2 sensor off. I have some heat shrink, some butt connectors, lighter, razor, and pliers. Alright, so I stripped back some of the wire enough so that the butt connector stops right where the wire ends, and it stops in the middle. You can see the notch there. And next I just have to figure out which wires go where and crimp them. Alright, so I figured out the colors. I did the butt joints, heat shrinked them. I just got to put these heat shrinks up and then put the wrap back and put some electrical tape, and I should be done. Alright, so there's the O2 sensor. I had to get a 90-degree because it was sticking down past the frame, so if I tried to go over a speed bump it would have broken the O2 sensor. But the extension starts here and goes up where it needs to. You can kind of see the yellow. Alright, so I got my OBD2 reader in just to show that there's a check engine light. Car's in the on position but not on. P0296 and P220 or 2270. Sometimes when these are together it could be like a leak in the intake system gathering an extra oxygen, but I already know I had to change my O2 sensor location, so I'll run the car for a little bit and see if it goes away. Now I did have to switch back to the factory exhaust manifold because I didn't realize that running dual exhaust and having one oxygen sensor, it would only be reading 2 of the cylinders downstream. So I had to switch back to this to make my car run right and pass emissions. I was only getting like 17 miles a gallon, so I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. Alright, so here it is. I just passed. There's the O2 sensor still connected. I did leave it plugged in just to show that it does work. That's the oxygen sensor wire right there that's extended down. Alright, so the whole reason I did this video was because when I was looking online to try to find an extension for it, I couldn't find one, especially for my car. So instead of trying to buy one and then trying to splice it anyway, I just decided to do my own. I hope you found this information and this video entertaining and useful. Please like and subscribe for more videos.